So today we're taking a look at this automotive gas. It's a CNG, compressed natural gas unit that sat on top of the engine. This was the high pressure line coming from the gas tank. It went through the solenoid, through this pressure regulator, and into the I guess dozer or mixer, and then this little thing went to the intake manifold. So I'm actually going to reuse the regulator somewhere else. I'm not going to be disassembling this. So I'm only going to disassemble the dosing unit. So let's take this apart. Let's see. All right, so that's an interesting little pipe that has this insert here. I guess they're trying to go for laminar flow. All right, so this was mounted on the rubber standoffs, and then the regulator and the solenoid are hard mounted to this plate. So we have our flow sensor in here and our throttle in here. All right, that's just a connector. There's the throttle body, and there's the flow sensor in there. You kind of see the thin little wire. This thing actually had quite a massive separate ECU as well, but it looks like they have kind of an ECU in here too. So I'm not sure. So let's take a look inside. So this is what we have inside. I don't know if it's going to come willingly the rest of the way, but let's try anyway. I don't know if I have to desolder this or not before it's going to come out. There you go. That came out. I think I'll have to desolder these 4 connectors right here before it's going to come out. There you go. So all we have here is the flow sensor. And then this is the smarts for the flow sensor. That's some large transistors here. So this probably runs the throttle as well and the solenoid. So I guess I don't know what the big ECU was doing. Maybe it was making the original car ECU happy. Okay, let's move on to the throttle body. The simple one, just 2 connections here. All right. That's a puzzle. Oh, we have some progress. That's a heavy part. Nicely machined. Oh, so that's all there is. Wow. It's just a magnet and a coil of wire. Well, I guess let's see if we can put this back together. All right, let's see if we can make this valve flap. $12 volts. Yep. It's nice and open. Let's see if we can vary. Oh, okay. I'm lowering the current. So at 38 milliamps, it's slightly open. And then as I add current at about 1 amp, it's fully open. Well, that's 1 amp at 5 volts. So voltage, it starts to open at about 1.5 volt, 2 volts, 3 volts, 3.5 volts, 4 volts. So about 4.5 volts, it's fully open. And about 1 volt, it's still fully closed. So there you go. This was a CNG system that was used on GM vehicles in California. I still have the ECU somewhere. I may take it apart in another video. Anyway, this is it for today. Thanks.